How to clear CAS app CAS. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to clear CAS on CAS app. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to make sure to open device settings. Scroll all the way down to general and tap on it. Now tap on iPhone storage and after that you need to search for CAS mobile app, then tap on it. Once you're on this screen, you'll need to tap on Offload app. Tap again to confirm. It will take a bit for processing and then a reinstall button will show up. Simply tap on it to reinstall the app and well, that's how you can simply clear CAS on the CAS application. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.